Evening there, boys and girls. 5-button Volvo key tonight. It looks quite a hard one to take to bits, but I don't think it actually is. It's a bit like a Volvo, it's a bit secret. So what you basically do is on the top there, can you see that? You need to push that over to one side, which lets that come out. Okay, so get rid of that. Now you'd think that doesn't help you, but if you look inside there, you see that screw? Right, let's take that screw out. She's small and she's fiddly. There you go, there's the size of that screw. She is tiny. That to one side. Right, that leaves you with that. So if we prise her open slightly, leaves you two halves. So there you got your back half with your battery in. Okay, but that's one side. Right, this is the side that does all the work. Right, there's your one half of your circuit board. Let's see if we can pull that out. There's the inside of the key. Right, we go back to that circuit board. It's got like a built-in like plastic tray, protected tray over it. Okay, there's your 5 micro buttons. And there's the back of your key. Alright, cheers for that. Let's have a rebuild, shall we? Right, so that in there like that. She only sits in one way, okay? You can swap the batteries over as well if you want to. Well, you've got this all to bits. Up to you, but this one works fine. That back on there. You must make sure that that clips in. Okay. Now the awkward bit. Getting that back in that little hole. I know from experience, if you put a screw on the end of the screwdriver, get her in quick. Nip her up. There you go. And presto, all back together. Slide that key back in. There you go, she clips in. Alright? Hunky dory, all done. Thank you.